Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, where we dive into the small choices that can make a big difference in your health. Here's a question. How often do you swap water for a sugary drink? If it's a lot, it could be adding inches to your waistline without you even realizing it. Let's break it down. Sugary beverages, like sodas, sweetened teas, and even so-called healthy juices, are packed with empty calories. That means they provide energy but zero nutrition. The average can of soda got around 10 teaspoons of sugar and roughly 150 calories. Drink just one every day, and you're looking at gaining up to 15 pounds in a year if nothing else changes. The problem is, liquid calories don't make you feel full like food does. So, you'll still eat your usual meals, but with an extra sugar bomb on top. It spikes your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, cravings, and over time, weight gain. But here's the good news. Small swaps can have a huge impact. Replacing just one sugary drink a day with water or unsweetened tea could save you hundreds of calories. Plus, water keeps you hydrated, boosts your energy, and helps your body function at its best. If you're not a fan of plain water, you can add a splash of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Or try sparkling water if you're missing the fizz. Remember, it's not about cutting out everything you love, it's about balance. Make water your go-to and let sugary drinks be an occasional treat, not a daily habit. At Health Options 101, we're here to help you make mindful choices for a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tips to transform your health, one small step at a time. See you next time.